What's up, guys? Got my 2014 Ford Fusion SE 2.0 here. Just gonna do a quick video. I do have the, if you can see that, Velocitech intake. I'll probably do another video here later about the install of that. I did not take off the entire front bumper like they say you're supposed to. I'm not gonna lie, I got pretty lazy. But this is the Steeda cold air intake. You're not gonna be able to see it. I guess I can pop this off real quick. I do have a Steeda intake manifold spacer as well, as well as the compact shorty Turbosmart blow-off valve. I was gonna do a quick video for you guys, just if you guys wanted to know what it would sound like if you got a cold air intake. Huge difference, especially in the sound, but performance, it's always questionable. Everybody's entitled to their own opinions, but anyways, just gonna do a quick video for the sound with the cold air intake compact shorty Turbosmart blow-off valve. Here you go. When I did put the intake spacer on, it did not make any sound difference. I don't know really that I noticed much of a performance difference, but it might just be all mental as well. So anyways, here you go. All right, there you go. Huge difference over stock. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, jokes, hit me up. Let me know in the comments below. See you later.